Hello and good evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are in the world. This is my new video. I recently bought a Rubik's Cube for a drawing challenge I was doing. I'll put the card up in the corner or link in the description if you'd like to check that out. And inevitably with a Rubik's Cube lying around, you start playing with it and you mess it up. And I couldn't get it back right again. I found a website that you colour in exactly how your cube is and it tells you how to put it back, but it doesn't tell you why that works or how it works. It just tells you the moves to make to put it back to a completed cube again. So I got curious and I wanted to know how to do it myself. At this point I started looking on YouTube and I found a tutorial for what was called the beginner method, and I learned it. I was quite surprised. Been playing with Rubik's Cube for many years and never completed more than a couple of sides at one time. And I learned the technique and I thought, well, I could make a little challenge video and see if I can do it in under 5 minutes. So here we go.